Hello everybody, I'm going to walk you through how you can record your screen and have your webcam showing without having to download any software. It is completely cloud-based using a Chrome extension called Vidyard. So let me show you how I've set this up. So when you go to vidyard.com, you can type in Vidyard Chrome extension or go to the web page directly. You will add the extension to your browser, follow the steps that go there, and make sure you give the permissions to your webcam and audio. But once you have that, you can go right over to Canva, create your presentation, and once you have something done, for example, like what I have here, you could go into your extensions inside of your Chrome browser and activate it. As you can see, it automatically brings up your video feed from whatever webcam you've selected, and it does work with virtual webcams. So if you're using OBS or XSplit to create that virtual webcam, that would show up here, or Camo as the app to improve your video as well. Then you also select your microphone, whether that's the computer or a webcam you're using, or some sort of other audio recording device. We can set that over here to the side. Now you're able to add notes, which is great. So as you're presenting or as you're doing your facilitation, you have those notes there on the side. And then you can select whether you want screen and the camera, just a screen, or just a camera. And so let's say you're doing this for an assignment and they're asking for a webcam and the presentation. This would be it. You click on it, select start recording, and then you would simply click on the window or the exact browser that you want to do. So in this case, I'm going to do the browser of the Canva presentation. This goes and initiates for 30 minutes free. Now it will have a watermark, but for most assignments, that's totally fine. And from here, you can go into the presentation mode and go into present, and that would still then have your little video down here and be able to do your presentation. Here I'm presenting the Master of Higher Education and the Master of Science in Higher Education from Point Loma Nazarene University. But you could go through it there. And again, it continues to have this. So if you need to move it as you're presenting, you can do so as well. And when you're done, you put stop sharing and it says the video upload is complete. It will then take you to your dashboard where you can then now email this if you want to share it. You can download if you want to do some post editing, or you can simply copy the link and send it to your professor or into your assignment section. So I hope this is helpful. Make sure to reach out to our team if you have any questions, or let us know how we can continue to support you.